Because if you are new to photo editing and you have no experience about photo editing softwares much, like you haven't uh, used Photoshop or GIMP or maybe you have used but you are just a casual user. So I would like you to show this cool photo editing software called Photopea that you can run in your browser. This you can run into your browser like I'm using Firefox. You can use it in Chrome or Microsoft Edge. It shows you some ads so that they can run the web this service in their server. So they are showing you some ads. But if it's not bother you much, you can just come here, click on accounts, and you can support them by donating if you want, or you're supporting them by this when you are seeing ads. So you're supporting them. So this software earlier I used to let me show you. Earlier I used to GIMP for editing, but it's just I find Photopea so easy. Like it provides you templates. Let's see. As you can see, it provides you templates so you can get inspiration if you want. If you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can see these templates. All the templates that I've created for my channel, I've created using it because I find it so easy. I can use it anywhere. I use it on my desktop, I use it on my laptop, even on tablet when I'm on the go. I use this software because I can just run it in any browser, so I don't need to install. I don't need some big setup. So let's for example, let's create a YouTube thumbnail. Just quick, very quick. So just click on new and then YouTube thumbnail choose. So it will choose the size 1280 720 pixel. Okay, so this is if you want to use dark background, then you need to click here on the bottom right side, bottom lower right side, new adjustment layer, color fill, and then you can choose any color. Like I want dark background, so I'm gonna choose this color and then hit OK. So now we have uh, filled it with dark color. Right side is where mouse pointer is. It's layers. You can turn it off. Like if you don't want, then you can turn off this layer. Okay, so guys, if you want some text to show, you can select this text tool, which is T letter. We'll select. You can select fonts from here. These are the fonts that you can select, and increase one size. You can increase size here, and then we click here and I'm gonna type YouTube. As you can see, it's in black. I will change the YouTube some name. Okay, so let's select the text. We want to change the color because it's not looking right, black on black. We'll change it by clicking here, and now you want it bright red. You can move it by holding the left mouse click when you are not on the when your pointer is not on the text. It shows like this, and you can drag it via left click and place it anywhere on the screen. To increase size, we will go and select this text, mouse pointer text, move tool. What does it say? Move tool, yes. And we'll just hold it from here, this arrow, we'll drag it. If you want to add some image to this, we will go to file and open and place, and we'll go to some assets in my PC. These are the assets, so I'm gonna choose this asset, which is just OBS logo. I placed it on the screen. If I want to increase size, I can increase size. Okay, so we have created a basic thumbnail. We have a text, we have an image. So you can use your brain and be creative about it and use however you want. That's it. That's how easy it is to just go to any web browser, search Photopea, and that's it. The first link is its That's how easy it's to use. Thank you.